Hello. I know this angle is not too flattering, but what this video is it's a thank you for 1,000 subs. I didn't think I would reach 1,000 subscribers at all, and I know it's a little bit late. I hope the mic is coming through. I know it's a little late. See, I got my jams on. I got pants on today. I know it's a little late, of course, but how do I say I forgot to do this? And I'm sure you read by the title what I am doing, and I hope my cat will stay here to support me. I'm petting my cat 1,000 times. Yeah, that's what we're doing for 1,000. So I need to hope she stays down there. I brought her bed onto my chair, and I'm not going to do much talking. Yes! I'm done. That bitch hurt. You fucker. Look how cute she looks. That bitch, she doesn't like being pet 1,000 fucking times. Who does? Look, she's cutting me. Look at my fucking... That bitch. Ow, motherfucker. Owies. She's pissed. This is a bad idea. I'm sweating. What a workout that was. What a conundrum. Thank you for 1,000 subs. Sorry that you can't hear me get mad at my cat. I'm playing music in my headphones. fuck you, and fuck you, Misu. I'm sorry that this was such a pain in the ass for you. Don't worry, she loves me. Look. See, she loves me still. That's how we play, is by fucking killing each other. Like, look, I have so much scars on my hands from us playing. You can't see it. Of course not. That's how we play. Don't worry, she still loves me. I think. Whatever, that bitch got fucking... She's out for blood. That motherfucker. Say thank you, Misu. Well, she is pissed, though. You can tell by her ears. Misu says, thank you for 1,000 subs. I'm not doing this again because Misu will kill me. That is it. I am fucking done. I am so goddamn fucking tired. What a stupid fucking idea.